Hello everybody, welcome to my YouTube channel supremedpfclean.com. Today we are test driving Volvo V50 which came in with the DPF problems. What can you say about your car, sir? How was it driving and how is it today?
Before I came to Errol, it was virtually undrivable. It had crept up over the years, but in the last month it was going into limp mode. I was having to over rev, it was a stuttering, it was a very uneven, lumpy drive. Now, it's completely rejuvenated. It's smooth, it's loose, it's responsive.
And no engine light?
No engine lights.
Feels much responsive?
Very responsive. I'm barely touching the accelerator now, whereas before I was getting a very lumpy response.
Right.
It's driving like how I used to remember it perhaps 5 or 6 years ago, and I feel confident now that I could take it on a long journey without problems. Before this,
You couldn't?
I was suddenly driving along the motorway and it would go into limp mode. I'll go straight on.
Yeah, okay. So are you happy?
I'm very happy.
Can you see any
Taken-
black or white smoke?
I can see nothing coming out the back.
That's good. Okay, thank you very much for your
Well, thank
positive
you. Errol.
thank you, sir, for your positive feedback. We are www.supremedpfcleaning.com, located in Bromley, Kent. You can reach us on 07533 636 194 with your DPF, EGR, injector and turbo problems. We are master engineers and we are certified diagnostic center. You can come to us without hesitating. We'll do our best to entertain you. Thanks for watching. Please click on like button. It will help me. Thanks a lot.